In today's video, we're going to make authentic pasta puttanesca. Thinly slice your garlic, onion, and shallots. This recipe calls for Kalamata olives and capers. I like to use prosciutto di Parma, although this may not be traditional, it makes it that much better. Try to separate the prosciutto, otherwise it will stick together when cooking it. This recipe calls for 1 can of peeled plum tomatoes. You can crush these by hand or use a potato masher. I prefer to use the immersion blender depending on what type of pasta you are serving it with. It's important to have all your ingredients ready before starting to cook it. On medium heat, add extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of your pan. It's important to add the prosciutto before the oil is too hot. You just want to render the flavor out of it. Add your hot seeds. Once the oil has come up to temperature, add your onions and shallots. Add your fresh black pepper. Cook the onions and shallots until they're translucent. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant. Traditional puttanesca calls for anchovies. I didn't use them, but now is when you would put them in. Add the Italian seasoning, add basil, add the olives and capers. Add the pureed tomatoes. Bring it up to a fast simmer while continually stirring, then lower the heat. Continue to cook on a low simmer while stirring occasionally. The sauce is ready when you can move the spoon through it and see the bottom of the pan and the sauce doesn't come right back together. Serve with your favorite pasta and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.